Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to set off the hourly beep on a Casio F91W. Now if you have this particular model or similar Casio models such as the Casio W86 or the Casio A163W, the same functions, so the same tutorial will apply to that one. So as you already know, on your Casio watch you have three buttons. We have the light function, the mode function, and also the button on the right side, which as you can see helps us set the alarm on and off. Now if we press the button on the mode, so the left bottom corner, if we press it once we have the alarm function. Now if you want the beep function to be on and off, you will be able to use the button on the right side, and as you can see there are a few things that appear on the display. So first, this means that the alarm is on, so it will go at 12 o'clock. Now if we press it one more time we have a bell. That means that the hourly beep is on. If we press it for the third time, that means that both functions are activated. If you want both of them to be off, simply press for the fourth time until you see none of those functions to appear on your display. If you want only the alarm on, you'll have only this function, only the hourly beep on, both functions on, and both functions off. After you have done so, press the button one more time, and as you can see we have nothing that appears on the display. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it and found it useful. If so, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow along as we have plenty more Casio tutorials for you to watch. Thank you guys, and see you next time.